Hey that bugs, Model Glam her back for another quick review. Being brought to us by Outre. Here I go with this lighting. Here you go, friends. Fix that lighting for you. So hey, like I was saying, bring this up. Lord, let me get it together. Get it all the way together, girl. So okay. So here we go. So, hey friends, how y'all doing? How y'all been? Before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I do my next upload. Hey, what's up with y'all? So, hey, guess who this is by? This is by none other our friends over there at Outre, or however you want to pronounce it. So yeah, so it's this is from their Melted Hairline collection. It's a lace front. It has that frontal effect hairline. She has HD transparent lace, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. Why would you want to put some heat to her? But I do understand that part though. Sometimes people just want to flatten out and then take the curls out and just wear it flatten it out. I get that. So anyway, so the style that I have is CONSTANZA. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I'm jacking the name up. And I have her in the color Maple Brown. There she go right there. Yeah, I'm here for the curls. I'm here for the curls and all those colors. That's it on the back. Here's that inside. There, that color right there. Yeah, so she's, let me tell you a little bit about her. This is from their seamless hairline for the realest illusion. Melted hair, the melted hairline lets you show off those edges. Go ahead and slip your hair back. Tuck it behind your ear and swoop the natural looking baby hairs. Ain't nothing natural about them. And melted and has ear to ear soft HD transparent lace, a pre-attached elastic band to ensure secure lift free fit, and is pre-plucked and to create a natural finish that melts right onto your hairline. She's soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. Nothing natural about the unnatural baby hairs. That's what they should say. Redesigned comfort ear contour. Yeah, so there she go, close up. Yeah, so she has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, the normal adjustable straps in the back, and like they said, it comes with that wide band to make it flush straight to your head, flat to your head, that is. And so yeah, so only products that I put on her was this tinted spray in the medium brown. That's all I did, and I cut the lace off camera. So let me, she's messing with my lash right there. So let me throw the hair in the back so you can see that's how long she is right there. I'm here for the curls and the color. Yeah, I did tell you what color this is, Maple Brown. There she go on that side and the back. So what y'all think of her? Let me know down in those comments. I'm here for the curls. I got one more unit I need to review tonight. So is that a curly unit? Where is it? Oh, it's in the other room. So yeah, so I think that one's curly too. That's mainly what I buy, it's curly ones. So anyway, so let me know what y'all think of her down in the comments, and I'll see y'all on my next upload. Thank you for continued support and stay safe out there. Smooches, love y'all much. I'll take you at his word. Take him at his word.
and I'm gonna trust him. I'll trust and never